going on, folks? I'm gonna show you how you be changing out a thermostat on a Chevy Malibu. It's going to be the same for multiple years. All you want to do pretty much is just come down here. Your water pump is located right here pretty much, and I'm gonna show you your thermostat, which I just took out right here, is located right here. If you can see where I'm at right here, that's your thermostat right here. It's in a whole housing on these vehicles, so you have to actually take the whole housing off of it, but it just has a size 10 bolt that goes on top of it and one on the bottom of it, and you'll be able to pull your old thermostat out. Just like you can see the two screws, one at the top, one at the bottom pretty much. And then you'll also have to disconnect your radiator hose, which is right here pretty much, and that'll just basically just plug on right to here, right here. You just take like some pliers or something and clamp this, get a piece right here with that, and pull that back off of the hose. And once you do that and take off these two screws, there'll be a size 10 here and a 10 here. It kind of sets in there like that. You'll have one up top and one at the bottom pretty much. And once you take those two screws out of it, and like I said, remove your radiator hose right here, then you'll be able to pull your thermostat out pretty much. You may want to have a drain bucket up underneath there to catch the radiator fluid that's probably going to come out once you disconnect your radiator hoses, just to kind of catch some of that. It pretty much is a pretty quick job. It may be a little awkward sometimes getting down to that bottom screw that's on the bottom of the bottom of your thermostat pretty much, but you just have to kind of feel down there and you'll feel the screw. Like I said, it takes a size 10 socket pretty much. I'm using a deep well, which helped me to get it off easier. Then when I put that bottom one on, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and put the top one on. That way I know that it's lined up correctly by putting the top screw in. Then I can just kind of take the bottom one and fill around and stick it inside of her. But it's a pretty quick job. All right, folks, this is how you, and for the location of it, it's located right here on the passenger side, right down here behind your water pump. This is your water pump. So you look in the hood, you'll see this belt right here. Right behind it, you'll see, and that'll where this hose is going to. That'll be your thermostat. And a lot of times, if your vehicle, say it's overheating, that could be an issue, is that your thermostat is bad and it's stuck closed, so it's not allowing for the coolant to come into your engine to basically cool your engine off. So that's a sign that you need a new thermostat. Or a lot of time, if it's stuck open, what'll happen is you'll have problems getting like hot air in your vehicle, like in the wintertime. When you turn your heat on, it'll never seem to get really hot because the coolant is constantly flowing through your motor, keeping it from actually getting a certain temperature to make nice heat on it. Okay. All right. Please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.